This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Michelle Carter Smith. Beautiful newer construction. This spacious 4-bedroom home with an open floor plan offers a fully fenced backyard with a patio and an attached garage. Hardwood floors on both the main and upper. A gas fireplace in the living room makes for a cozy atmosphere. There is central AC for the warm days of summer. The kitchen offers quartz counters, an eating bar, and stainless appliances. The refrigerator and washer/dryer are all included. The primary bedroom is freshly painted, vaulted, and includes a bath with double sinks and a walk-in closet. There is a tax abatement until June 30, 2024. No signage on the home. This property is eligible for KeyBank's 100% financing Key Community Program and the $5,000 KeyBank Neighbors First credit to use toward closing costs and other prepaid fees. Please see the attached flyers. Open house on Sunday, 1/7 from 1 to 3 p.m. Home energy score equals 6. HES report at https://rpt.greenbuildingregistry.com/HES OR 10,223,075 for more information.